In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this twisted spiral mesh. This is how the scene looks like. I have a spiral mesh, a ground plane, and 5 point lights. This is a spiral-based curve object. If you don't see the curve spiral menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. This is how we make a curve spiral, but how did I make this shape? In order to make this twisted curve shape, we must use a negative value on the radius growth setting. After subdividing the mesh, I added 3 simple deform modifiers. After that, I converted this curve object to mesh, and that automatically applied all the modifiers. I rotated the mesh, added a ground plane, and set the camera view. Then I added 5 point lights, and placed them on random places. Here are the material details. This is for the ground plane. I have used a forest EXR-HDRI file. If you don't know how to find that file, please watch a tutorial in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.